Hello everyone, today study with the lathe operation. Mainly are 10 operations, then facing, turning, taper turning, chamfering, parting, threading, boring, drilling, curling and swiping. To study with the first facing. Facing is the process of a flat surface across the face of a workpiece. In the facing operation, the tool is fed in the 90 degree to the axis of the rotation. Turning. Turning is the process of the removal of the material from the cylindrical and the conical surface externally, and the turning operation the workpiece is made of the rotate of the about its axis lathe machine. The tool is fed with along the surface of the cylindrical workpiece to the remove the metal from the cylindric workpiece. In the turning operation, tool feed the parallel of the axis of the rotation of the workpiece. Third one is the taper turning. In the taper turning operation, the tool is fed at the angle of the axis of the rotation of the workpiece. Taper turning is the operation in which the tapered cylinder surface is cone type of the surface is the produces. Fourth one is the chamfering. Chamfering is the operation belong the external end of the workpiece. The chamfering operation done the remove of the burr from the edge of the workpiece. Fifth one is the parting. Parting is the operation in which a section of the workpiece is separated by the removing by the means of the cut-off tools. In the operation of the job is the help of the chuck rotate in turning speed and the parting of the tools in the field. The job very slow. Utilize tool reaches the center of the job. It is operation cutting of the growing of a bar after B has a mechanized required shape and size. Sixth is drilling. Thread the cutting of the operation produce the thread on the outer surface of the cylindrical workpiece. For the threading cutting of the lathe, there is a definite relationship between the speed of a job and tool. The relation is the obtained by the Greer ratio and the selection dependent on the pitch of the job. The pitch of the job is laid the screw of the numbers of the started of the thread on a job. The drilling precision operation that produce the cylindrical hole of the workpiece. The tool used for the drilling operation is called as drill. Boring is the lathe operation is the grilling of the external holes that is the produced by the drilling. And the kerning process is the embossed dynamic shaped pattern on a workpiece surface. The process of the kerning is the provide at effectively gripping surfaces on the workpiece. The last one is the swapping. Swapping is the process of to produce the circular homogeneous spot of the household unities. In the operation, the sheet metal job is the held between from the tools attached to the headstock simply and the tailstock center of the rotate and high speed from the tool. The in this operation, sheet metal job is held between the tool attached to field with the headstock swiping and the tailstock center at the rotation and high speed with the tools. The log of a rotation nose from forming tools fixed with the relation and the shaping tool past fragrance of the jobs on the precise from the shown in the figure. Thus job is deformed exact in the shape of the tools and the operation is known as swapping. It is a chipless mechanism process. Thank you.